Hello. This is the Planet for Zombies Plants vs Zombies Chinese version, and check. This is the version of if the zombies, the plants get fused together. Now let's start this is the adventure, minigames, puzzle, and survival. It's like your typical Plants vs Zombies, but this is upgraded or updated. It's at the level 1. Only one zombie is upgrading you. First, we notice that the slots, they have many slots, and you can actually pick like one sunflower shooter and the other one. Yeah, you can pick them 2 times. The amount is double. Like here, the original price is 50 pesos, 50 san for the sunflower, and the double is like 100, same as the pea shooter. So let's rock. I've been seeing this lately in the Facebook, so I got curious and tried this. You can actually plant sunflower on top of a sunflower, and they become 3 You can also plant a pea shooter on top of a pea shooter, and produce results. So now you're curious, what would happen if we plant a pea shooter and a sunflower? Let's actually try that here. Let's experiment this one. This guy here. Let's put a sunflower on him. That's the... You see it? 2 heads. One is sunflower and one is pea shooter. Cool. It's actually giving someone fighting the zombie. So if this is already a repeater. But if you plant a pea shooter on top of it, let's see what would happen. It would become a split pea. A split pea that firing on its back. What it does is it fires on the back. It's not wasting the bullet. I might like this. This is already a split pea, meaning it fires 3 peas. And if we put between the peas, 2 peas and 3 peas. Pretty basic for level 1. Zombies are this is pretty much it. Nothing special. You notice this is firing sound, not a pea. That's a sound. So we will be doing this for a while. Now we're going to be doing this for a while. notice these empty slots here. Two available if you have plants. we are still at level 1, but we have already a Gatling. That's pretty cool. Yes, so this is for tomorrow, and we will be gonna be doing this every day, 1 day each level. Go back. Let's check this out. I have already plants actually here. Amazing garden. And they're not giving coins. I don't know what is this. It's not grabbing the plant. Wheelbarrow. These all zombies. It's just unfortunate that we can't understand Chinese. We can't read the description. Oh, I love reading the description when back on the days when I still play this game. I'm still addicted to this. I love reading the description here, but sadly it has no translation. Lucky. We got 3 here. The zombies. I'm more interested in the zombies. Like this one, a black dancing zombie and newspaper zombie, like not your typical black dancing zombie. Oh, I found a football zombie here. Next, this one. Look how cool it is. Tall, not football zombie. I don't know if you can read it. I can't read it. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. And this is day 1. Of course, we can modify or add a profile here. We can insert a profile. But our progress is saved. I actually tried this this past days, and yeah. So this is the settings. Apparently this is the I forgot what is this. Screen size. This is the screen size. This is the reset level. Let's quit, and that's all.